In this lecture, we're going to show how to insert ordinate dimensions. So let's go here to Smart Dimension tool, and here we have this arrow. So let's click on this arrow, and here we have ordinate dimension. So for example, let's click here on this line. And now here we have a 0. Let's drag this here to this position. And now we can choose here this line here. And now we can see that this line is 5 millimeters from this 0. If we choose this line here, this line is 40 millimeters from the 0. If we choose this line here, this line is 60 millimeters from 0. Or for example, we can click on this point. And this point is 120 millimeters from the 0. As well, we can click on this circle, and now we have dimension that goes from the center point of the circle, and we have here 125 millimeters. Let's click OK. And now, for example, if we move these 125 millimeters up and down, all dimensions are moving up and down, like this. If we want to add a new dimension here, if we want to add a new ordinate dimension, let's go here like this. Now you can see the orange color, right click, and you can go here, add to ordinate, like this, and now we can just click here. Now here we have a new ordinate dimension, 45 millimeters. Let's click OK, because if you go here and choose ordinate dimension, and now click here, you see you start from 0. You can't just add it in. You have to go here, right click, and then add to ordinate. Now, for example, if you want to delete some ordinate dimension, you can just click on this one that you want to delete, and you can just simply press delete. And this is how you can add ordinate dimensions.